Hello and welcome to today's video, where we'll walk you through how to start a successful tomato paste-making business in Africa. Tomatoes are a staple in nearly every kitchen across the continent and globally. But here's the catch. Africa is still one of the largest importers of tomato paste. This presents a golden opportunity for local entrepreneurs to step in. Whether you're looking to start small or scale up, we'll cover the machines you need, step-by-step processes, and strategies to get your product on shelves and into homes. Contact us for machine info. Tomato paste is used in households, restaurants, schools, and food manufacturers. Africa's growing middle class and urbanization are driving demand for convenience foods. Countries like Nigeria, Ghana, and Kenya import significant amounts of tomato paste, creating room for local production to compete. Countries like Nigeria, Ghana, and Kenya import significant amounts of tomato paste, creating room for local production to compete. Africa grows millions of tons of tomatoes annually, but a significant portion goes to waste due to poor storage and processing facilities. Turning tomatoes into paste extends their shelf life by months or even years. By starting a tomato paste business, you create jobs for farmers, laborers, marketers, and transport workers. Small-scale business produces 50 to 100 kilograms of paste per day. Ideal for beginners and involves manual or semi-automatic machines. Medium-scale business produces 300 to 1,000 kilograms daily. Requires semi-automatic machines for higher efficiency. Large-scale business produces over 2,000 kilograms per day, needs fully automated industrial machinery and a larger investment partner with tomato farmers to get fresh, high-quality produce. Build relationships with cooperatives or farmer groups to ensure consistent supply. Schedule purchases during harvest seasons to get lower prices. Your factory should ideally be located close to tomato farms to minimize transport costs, near target markets for efficient distribution. Each machine in your production line plays a critical role. 1. Tomato washing machine function removes dirt, pesticides, and impurities. Why it's important? Ensures hygienic production and prevents contamination. Cost range $1,000 to $5,000 for small scale, up to $15,000 for industrial units. 2. Sorting conveyor belt function allows manual or automated sorting of damaged tomatoes. Benefit: improves product quality by using only fresh tomatoes. Cost range $2,000 to $10,000. 3. Tomato crushing and pulping machine. Function: crushes tomatoes and separates the pulp from seeds and skins. Importance: this is the first step in turning raw tomatoes into a smooth base for paste. Cost range $3,000 to $20,000. 4. Evaporator machine. Function: removes water to achieve the desired paste consistency. Importance: ensures the paste is thick and shelf-stable. Cost range $8,000 to $25,000. 5. Sterilizer machine function. Kills bacteria and microorganisms to ensure food safety. Cost range $2,000 to $15,000. 6. Packaging machine. Options: manual sealing machines $500 to $2,000. Semi-automatic packaging machines $5,000 to $15,000. Fully automated lines $25,000 to $50,000. Why it matters: packaging enhances product appeal and extends shelf life. Boilers for generating steam during processing. Stainless steel storage tanks for holding pulp and finished paste. Quality control tools like pH meters and moisture analyzers to ensure product consistency. Cleaning and sorting tomatoes are washed and sorted to remove spoiled or unripe ones. 2. Crushing and pulp extraction. Clean tomatoes are crushed in the pulping machine, producing a smooth pulp. 3. Heating and concentration. The pulp is heated in the evaporator to remove excess water. Heat concentration enhances the shelf stability and texture of the paste. 4. Sterilization. The paste is transferred to a sterilizing machine to kill harmful bacteria. 5. Packaging and sealing paste is filled into jars, cans, or sachets, then sealed to prevent contamination. Segment 5, Marketing Strategies, 7501 to 100,001. 1. Branding your product. Develop an appealing brand name and logo. Use eco-friendly packaging to attract environmentally conscious consumers. Second market segments, retail market. Sell through supermarkets, online stores, and local grocery shops. B2B market. Partner with restaurants, hotels, and fast food chains. Export market. Expand regionally or internationally with proper certifications. 3. Promotional campaigns. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to showcase your production process. Offer free samples to restaurants and grocery chains to build brand awareness. 4. Partnerships. Collaborate with farmer cooperatives to strengthen your supply chain. Partner with local chefs for product endorsements and cooking demos. 1. Initial costs machinery. $10,000 to $50,000 depending on scale. Packaging materials, $2,000 to $10,000. Labor and overheads, varies by location and scale. Profit projections. Calculate production costs, including raw materials, labor, and packaging. Set competitive prices based on market research and demand. Raw material shortages, establish reliable contracts with farmers. Competition, differentiate with unique flavors or organic certification. Logistics, invest in proper storage and transportation. Why tomato paste business is perfect for Africa. Africa has over 650 million consumers of tomato-based products annually. Urbanization, busy lifestyles, and a shift toward convenience foods drive demand. Visual aid. A chart showing Africa's high tomato production versus import statistics. Highlight how local production can reduce import dependence. Did you know that 70% of tomatoes produced in Africa spoil due to a lack of processing infrastructure? With tomato paste production, these losses can turn into billions in revenue. Import data. Highlight key importing African countries like Nigeria, South Africa, and Ghana. Emphasize how starting a tomato paste business locally creates opportunities to meet rising demand. Case study. Success story of an African entrepreneur who reduced local dependency on imports. Employment opportunities. 10+ jobs in farming, processing, logistics, marketing, and retail. Supporting local farmers. By buying tomatoes locally, businesses can increase farmer incomes and encourage better farming practices. Start small with semi-automatic equipment before transitioning to fully automated systems as demand grows. Visual aid. Comparative tables showing investment costs and production capacities of small, medium, and large-scale setups. Selecting the right tomatoes, ideal varieties, Roma, San Marzano, or other plum tomatoes with high pulp content. Quality factors, bright red color, firm texture, and minimal water content. Site selection factors, access to fresh tomatoes. Proximity to markets to reduce transportation costs. Adequate space for machinery, storage, and packaging units. 1. Tomato washing machine. Process: immerses tomatoes in water and agitates them for thorough cleaning. Efficiency: processes up to 2 tons per hour for small machines. 2. Sorting and inspection table. Benefit: manual workers or optical sorting systems remove damaged tomatoes. Importance: ensures the best tomatoes go into the paste, improving taste and shelf life. 3. Crushing machine process. Break down tomatoes into a liquid pulp. Options: manual systems for low-cost production. Motorized crushers for medium-scale efficiency. 4. Pulp refining machine function. Separates the pulp from seeds and skins using fine mesh screens. Efficiency: produces smooth, high-quality pulp for paste making. 5th evaporation system. Function: concentrates the pulp by removing excess water. Types: open pan, Evaporator, ideal for small setups, requires more manual labor. Vacuum evaporator, faster, energy efficient, and used in medium to large-scale setups. Sixth sterilization unit ensures paste is free from bacteria and safe for consumption. 7. Packaging machines, small-scale, manual pouch fillers and sealing systems. Medium-scale semi-automatic sachet or jar fillers. Large-scale, fully automatic labeling, filling, and sealing systems for cans, jars, or pouches. Step 1. Pre-washing tomatoes are soaked in tanks with clean water to remove dirt. Add a mild chlorine solution for disinfection, optional. Step 2. Sorting remove unripe or moldy tomatoes manually or with optical systems. Step 3. Crushing tomatoes are loaded into crushers, breaking them into pulp. Advanced models separate seeds and skins automatically. Step 4. Concentrating pulp is heated to evaporate water, increasing the concentration from 10% solids to 30%. Tip: consistency matters. Monitor with a refractometer to ensure quality. Step 5. Sterilizing. The paste is heated to 95 degrees Celsius to kill harmful bacteria. Step 6. Packaging packed into jars, cans, or sachets. Sealing ensures shelf stability for 6 to 12 months. Add branding labels and batch production dates. Name and logo should be easy to recognize and culturally relevant. Example: use names that evoke freshness, like Farm Pure Paste or Mama's Kitchen Tomato Paste. Retailers, supply directly to supermarkets, local stores, and online platforms. Restaurants and caterers offer bulk packaging. Comply with international food safety standards like ISO 22000 or FDA regulations. Target nearby countries or diaspora communities abroad who prefer African products. Starting a tomato paste business in Africa is not just a chance to make profits. It's a way to address food waste, support local farmers, and create jobs. If you're ready to take the leap, start small, scale up strategically, and watch your business thrive. Like, share, and subscribe for more business ideas.